Hey YouTube, welcome back to another. Today we're going to be learning how to step-by-step set up Apache. And yeah. So first up, you're going to need a VPS to connect to. If you don't have one already, feel free to sign up for Vultr using the link in the description, and you'll get $50 free to try out the Vultr platform. But without any further delay, let's go ahead and get started. So if you're looking to like the basics of deploying a VPS, check out my other videos. But yeah, for this one, I'm just gonna skim through this just because, you know, I've covered this so many times. Blah 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 blah. And yeah, that's about it. And I'll see you back in a minute. Once you have that VPS deployed, you're going to want to connect to it via SSH. If you don't know how to do this, I'll try to show you as simply as possible how you do this. So first up, you're going to want to open a terminal, but if you're on Windows, you don't have a terminal, so you're going to want to download PuTTY so you can access the server via SSH. Just go ahead and open Google and search PuTTY. It'll be the first result that pops up. But anyways, if you're on a Mac, all you want to do is open up your terminal, type SSH root, because it's the default username you can see here, and then you're going to want to write out that IPv4 address you see down below, click enter, type yes, copy the root password which is provided right here, go ahead and paste that password, and looks like it's taking a second, and we're in. Alright, next step, you're going to want to update and upgrade the server. To do so, simply type apt update and apt upgrade. And what this is going to do is it's going to update the repositories on the local server, and then it's going to upgrade the packages on the server. Neither one can work without each other, so make sure that you have them both included on that one liner with the and. Or you can run them separately, but always run apt update first and then apt upgrade. And as you can see here, it's going through a little progress, I should say, and it looks like it's almost done. But I will see you back in a second just to smooth out the tutorial. As you can see, the server has been fully upgraded. Alright, now it's time to install Apache. You can do so by typing apt install Apache2. And like before, just tap Y, click enter, and Apache was downloaded, and now it's being installed. Alright, should be done right around now. And now we have Apache installed. So, as I believe, if you were to type hostname -I, copy this IPv4 address here, paste that in your browser, and as you can see, the Apache default page is running, which means Apache is working right now. And we can verify that on the server by running service Apache2 status. And as you can see, Apache is active and running. But let's say that we wanted to change the look of this page. How could we do so? Well, as you can see here, Apache, even the default page is telling us that we should replace the index file located at this web root directory. We can navigate over there by typing cd/var www.html, and as you can see, there's that index file that's being served right here. So let's go ahead and update that index file to show our own web page. And I'm just gonna try and delete all this. I'm not really used to using nano. I know the keybinds to delete everything in Emacs, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'm just going to use nano because it's basically installed on every single Ubuntu distribution. And that's taking way too long, so I'm just going to do a little shortcut here. Open back up that index file, and as you can see, it's empty now. Take a little shortcut in the HTML here, and make a little testing page. Go ahead, save that, run this, and as you can see, testing 1, 2, 3 is now being served from here. And yeah, so say you wanted to restart Apache, all you would type is service Apache2 restart, and Apache was just restarted. As you can see, it still works. If you want to access any of the Apache logs, you can do so by typing cd/var log Apache2, and then you could just type the command cat and then the log you want to read. So for the error log, looks like we don't really have any errors except for the restart that we just caused. And the access log is pretty cool because it shows all the people that are visiting the website. And yeah, as you can see there, that is my IP address I just exposed. And yeah, but anyways, I think that's it for this tutorial. If I missed anything, leave it in the comments below, and hopefully I'll be covering an Nginx tutorial soon. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.